Hey guys, it's Miss Roberts, and I'm here today to walk you through adding the Screencastify extension to your Chrome browser and how to record your first Screencastify. So the first thing that you need to do is get to the Screencastify website. You just need to Google Screencastify, and it's the very first option that pops up. When you select that link, you'll come to this window. You'll want to add to Chrome, which will pull up a new window inside the web store. And where mine says remove from Chrome, you of course will have an add to Chrome option. It will take a couple of minutes to download. Once the extension is added, a new tab will open into Screencastify. It will not look like this. Instead, it will ask you several questions. It will want you to sign in, which you can use your Google account for. It will also ask you to allow permission to access your web camera and your microphone, which you will want to allow access. The final thing is just like if you're a student, educator, or some other life form, pick the one most appropriate for you. Okay, so after you have added Screencastify, to access this extension, you'll want to come up to the puzzle piece on the top right corner. You can add the extension to your browser so you don't have to click the puzzle piece by pushing the pin next to Screencastify. So as I was doing that, you probably saw this little red arrow opening and closing. Once you're ready to record, you'll click the red arrow, and you have three options available to you. There is browser tab, desktop, and webcam. The browser tab will only show what is inside the browser window. So you notice up here, you see my tab and the address that we are at. You would not see any of that if I were using the browser tab option. You would only see from inside beneath this gray line all the way to here. You wouldn't even see the arrows on the side that allow me to move the screen. So it would really limit what a person is allowed to see of your screen. And the other option is the desktop option, which is what I'm currently using so that I can click between tabs and you can see me clicking. You also can shrink your screen and show the desktop with this option. And once you have selected your option, you will click record. When you do that, there's a 3-second countdown, and it has the numbers show up on your screen, 3, 2, 1, and then it starts recording. Once it begins recording, I'm going to drag over my actual recording screen. A gray box should show up that has some tools for you to use while you are recording. They include an annotation tool like this pen. You can adjust the colors, and then you can write on the screen, but you're doing that with a mouse, so you're kind of limited in how pretty that looks. And you can also erase the horrible doodles that you create with that annotation tool. Another thing you can do is you can pause the recording, which I should have done just a second ago when I forgot what I was saying. After you have finished your recording, you will come back up to the arrow at the top, which this is the one that's actually doing my recording, and you will click the stop button, and it will open a screen that looks like this. This is attempt number 10 of creating this tutorial for you guys, but the video will automatically upload in a new tab for you. Up here where I have Screencastify, it'll say Untitled, and you can create whatever name you want to for the video that you have done. The open in editor is only for if you have a signed up premium membership, which I do not have. If you hate what you see, you can click the little delete button here. All of your videos are automatically saved to Google Drive inside a Screencastify folder, but you can also push your video from here to your Google Classroom, to YouTube. You can download the video to your desktop, or you can also just get a link like this, and it's already copied the link for me, and I can just paste it into an email, for example. Finally, down at the bottom, you have an option to trim your video. So you can cut off parts of your video, or you can allow it all to be there, whatever you prefer. So that is my quick overview of how to use this program. Happy recording.